Hi, I'm composer and sound designer Gary Hibner, and I'm going to show you how to create and produce your first song in Studio One. I've been working heavily in writing music for new media like online games and audio production training, and with Studio One, it's really just helped my daily workflow with the unique set of tools that it has. And through the last decade or so, I've worked through the majority of DAWs on the market, or otherwise known as digital audio workstations, and I'm super impressed with Studio One's production capabilities.
So in this course, I'm going to take you through how to use the software and how to take advantage of the features it has to offer. So this course is aimed at the beginner who's getting into audio software and is looking for an application to use, but it's also aimed at the advanced users who may be coming from another DAW and are interested in what Studio One is capable of. From a minimum requirement point of view for this course, it's good to have a basic understanding on music composition and a basic audio engineering understanding, as I will be covering these areas in the software that deal with these. If you don't have this basic knowledge, I'm sure you can still work through the course and see if this software is for you and will help you with your musical path. I'll be covering how to record audio in, how to get MIDI ideas down with the bundled instruments. Then we'll explore the editing tools available and how to mix your song. And I'll finish off with some slight mastering and then how to export out your finished song. I'm going to be using Studio One Professional. There are 3 different versions. There's Prime, the free version with some limitations, then Artist, which has some missing features, and then the fully fledged professional version. You can take a look at this link here to see the comparison between the versions. There's also a 30-day trial version of Professional, so you can download this and follow along with the course. So I hope you're as excited about the software as I am. I'm going to take you through all the ins and outs, and hopefully after this course you can get in there and start producing your own songs with it.